Hello. So I just got this tattoo on Tuesday and I love it. And we put the clear bandage over top of it. And I was gonna leave it on for longer, but I'm deciding to take it off now just because this used to be like, it had a lot of air bubbles in it. And now that it's kind of like the air bubbles have made their way out, I don't know if you can tell, but all the wrinkles kind of like dig in when I move my arm. And now that it's starting to get into its itchy stage, I find myself like scratching at it more than I would if this wasn't on, because I almost forget that it's a tattoo with this on. So yeah, because of my slow healing, I was hoping to leave it on longer, but they recommended 48 to 72 hours, and I have kept it on for that long. So I'm just going to take it off, and then I'm going to put some A&D ointment on it and kind of mix the two ways of healing. Like, go back to how I healed this tattoo for the remainder of the healing process, just because I do take longer than other people. So yeah, I've never used this kind of wrap before, but I'm going to take it off and we'll just see how it works. So I'm peeling back over top of itself. As you can see, I now have this off, and you can see all of the extra ink and, well, blood pretty much that dried into this, and it actually looks really cool. But yeah, there's a little bit of extra, so I'm just gonna wash it off. And you can see the way that the lines were like indented, all of the little wrinkles. But yeah, time to wash it. Now, he also touched up this tattoo a little bit, so I'm going to wash the whole thing and put some A&D on those spots too. Now I'm going to very carefully pat it dry. Just off to the side. More than I was expecting to get. But oh well. Okay, so now I'm just gonna keep doing that every once in a while, let it stay hydrated, and let it heal the rest of the way. Thanks for watching.